this video, you will learn how to set up avoidance zones in the KamiCare application for a camera that you've already set up. If you haven't set up your camera views yet, please check out our help center to learn how. Okay, let's set up avoidance zones for one of your cameras. In the KamiCare web application, open the Manage Cameras tab in the left-hand menu. Choose the camera you want to set up the avoidance zone for by clicking the three dots on the right of the online indicator. Make sure your camera is online, otherwise you will not be able to set your avoidance zones. From the drop-down menu, choose Configure View. A setup camera overview is presented in the next window. You can read it if you want, then press Next. In the next window, you can see the camera view you've already set up. Click on I finished setting the camera angle and press Next. You can read about avoidance zones here or check out the Help Center for more information. Hit the Next button. This next window is where you'll set up your avoidance zones. To create an avoidance zone, press the Add Zone button. A pink rectangle showing the avoidance zone appears in the camera view. In this case, we want to set an avoidance zone over the bed. We'll drag the pink rectangle over the bed. Click on one of the corners to change the size of the rectangle. Let's create another avoidance zone to fully cover the bed. You can create as many avoidance zones as you want. You can remove an avoidance zone by pressing the pink Remove button below the zone. Check that the bed is fully covered. You can always modify avoidance zones later if the furniture in the room has moved or if you want to fine-tune your avoidance zone settings. Press the Submit button. That's it, you've created avoidance zones for your camera. For more information on avoidance zones, you can read the avoidance zones tutorials in the Help Center.